So, you guys, the SABC One reality show featuring the lives of the Gumbi family is back. Now, the reality TV show follows the lives of businessman, polygamist Lucky Gumbi and his wives, and of course, also with his kids. Now, they're back with season two, and this time, one of Mr. Gumbi's daughter, Yolanda, tied the knot over the weekend. I think that will be shown in the upcoming episode. She got married to Mpilo Mdletshe over the weekend in a beautiful traditional wedding. Of course, Babes Wadumo was also in attendance to the beautiful ceremony. Yoli also shared some of the clips of the beautiful ceremony on her social media, and this is what I've managed to save so far. Please take a look at this.